Alright, so me and Jesse's at SHOT Show 2016. See a lot of nice booths, a lot of nice products running around. You gonna have a lot of nice guns and ammunition and
a lot of new shit,
new gear coming out. We saw James Yeager, told me to go fuck myself, and that I ain't tactical enough. So there you go. Stay tuned. Got a nice review coming up. We've seen you. Alright, welcome back. You can see I don't have a muzzle brake on my AR. It's because I got a new one in the mail. It's from a company called CTI, Campbell's Tactical Industries. It's the new muzzle brake. What it is, you put your muzzle in there and it's got a concussion cone threaded onto it. And it's supposed to help with the resonating of the sound and directs everything forward. And it's pretty interesting. We're going to give it a shot. Alright, now we're going to give the Campbell's Tactical Industries muzzle brake a few shots. It works pretty good. Alright, we got the high capacity clip and ghost gun lower, De Leon approved. It's multi-caliber. We're going to put about 3 billion rounds through this Campbell's Tactical Industries muzzle brake, which also, the rep was just telling me, they have a suppressor attachment that goes on the end of this, but it's NFA approved, so you got to do your $200 tax stamp. They said maybe if you check the soup aisle at your local Albertsons or Homeland, where the hell else you go get your food, you can rig one up. So keep that in mind. Alright. Oh yeah. And that was 16 trillion rounds. As you can tell, there was hardly any muzzle rise. Multi-caliber, like I said, ghost gun. There you go.
This is the Hrntfixr, and I approve this product.